Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to adjust windshield wiper arm on Ford F150 step by step. Park the truck on level ground, set the parking brake, and switch off the ignition. Lift the wiper arm gently and support it to avoid spring tension injury. Use a socket to loosen the pivot nut just enough to move the arm, then align the arm to the correct rest position on the windshield. Hold the wiper arm firmly while you make adjustments to avoid sudden spring movement. Loosen the pivot nut a few turns and slide the arm into the desired position, checking alignment against the windshield marker or edge. Once aligned, tighten the nut to the manufacturer torque spec and lower the arm slowly to test the rest point and sweep coverage to ensure even contact and no obstruction. If the wiper still misbehaves, check blade condition and linkage for wear or damage before repeating adjustments. Replace worn blades or bent arms to restore proper contact and motion. Mark the correct rest point with tape for consistent repositioning, and test the wipers through a full cycle with washer fluid to confirm proper sweep and pressure. Always recheck torque after a short test drive to ensure nothing loosened.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.